Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Richmond Tankless water heater is showing code 12, it can be really frustrating, especially when you suddenly lose hot water. This error usually points to an ignition failure, meaning the unit is not able to light the burner properly. Many users think the heater is damaged, but in most cases, it's caused by simple issues like gas supply problems, airflow blockage, or a dirty flame sensor. Since tankless systems rely on precise ignition, even a small interruption can trigger this code. The good part is that with a few quick checks, you can often fix code 12 and get your hot water running again. Try these. Step 1. Check that the gas supply is on and the valve is fully open. Step 2. Inspect the air intake and exhaust vents for blockages. Step 3. Turn off the unit power and reset the system. Step 4. Clean the flame sensor or ignition area if possible. Step 5. Check for any loose wiring or connections. Step 6. Turn the unit back on and test hot water.